Hello students, it's me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about past continuous versus simple past, two narrative tenses, two forms to be used in the past. The past continuous, as the name suggests, focus on continuity, ing, gerund form, actions in progress but not right now, at a certain time in the past. For example, yesterday I was studying. They were working. Actions in development in the past. For example, right now we are studying English. We are, that's the present. I was, he was, she was, it was, that's the past. Affirmative, I was working, and negative, I wasn't. They weren't. They weren't studying. Actions in progress at a certain time in the past. Not finished, but in progress. Specific moment. This specific moment we normally mention. Yesterday, last month, last weekend, we normally mention describing it with a time expression. They were swimming at 7 in the morning. At midday, they were still working. The past simple, on the other hand, focuses on completed actions. We ate out yesterday. The action is finished. They were eating. The action was in progress. So continuous forms, that's ing. In progress, in development. Past simple, regular verbs with ed, that's completed action. So that's the basic difference between past simple and past continuous. They normally interact with one another. We use the past continuous for longer actions. I was working when my father called me. So then we have an interrupting action in the past simple. This is very frequent and very common, this integration between past continuous and past simple in the same sentence. So I hope you enjoyed this quick lesson. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you.